West Croydon, South London, kids in uniform get handcuffed before search.
What he said? Knock you the fuck out. You lie up my hand. You don't know me. You know me, my hand. Look at both of you in the floor right now. Motherfucker.
You handcuff a kid, innit?
One person
Just for a
walked
search, fam.
So all of a sudden, you suspect me having a knife.
No,
that's what he just said. I was listening. That's what he done. I'm telling you.
You know, stop trolling this.
Oh, we're standing in West Croydon, innit? Block is hot.
To tell them the truth, man.
I'm suspecting you of having a knife. You got this on you.
Full uniform. Look.
Yeah.
Full uniform. If you jump up, would you handcuff him in the low side? Listen. I can talk to you anyhow I want. I'm not a drug dealer, man. I work. I pay tax.
You should not put him in custody.
Man, they're going for school,
I
yeah?
saw you guys when you drive across the road. You keep on talking. I don't care. I will go to I'm talking to you and you're pushing me. I will give you a woof. Man. Don't touch me when I'm talking, cuz. I'm talking to you like a man. But you don't touch me. If you touch me, I will move you. I will raise you. I will woof you. Your ear will be sounding. I'm telling you, man. Don't fuck with me, you buzz.
And you're putting these little kids in cuffs straight away. They're fucked.
You're making our young kids.
You finally leave my man, yeah? Hey, free DD Osama. Put.